Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to disable Smart Screen on Windows 10, and this is also working for Windows 11. So first, why you might want to delete Smart Screen and should you do it? What is Smart Screen? Smart Screen is a layer of protection that Windows uses to protect you from malicious websites and file downloads that contain viruses. Why should you disable it? Well, simply because sometimes it interferes with other softwares and it does not let them work properly. So you might want to uninstall it or to disable it completely. And to do so is very easy. So let's get to the search bar here and then type Windows Security. Now, once you click on Windows Security, go to App and Browser Control, and here go to Reputation-Based Protection Settings. After that, you will find all these. So you want to go to Check App and Files, and then turn this off. Click Yes, and then turn this off too. This will potentially be off, so just let it off. And here in the Smart Screen for Microsoft Store apps, just put it on off, and now you won't have Smart Screen on your computer. So you might want to restart your computer for the changes to be applied correctly, and that's it. Now you have disabled Smart Screen on your Windows. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.